guys, welcome back. So the next project that is in our options for what we can do is to design your own movie poster. Something that you would see in a movie theater or on a billboard that is describing and explaining a little snapshot of what movie that is coming out. You can choose to do a movie that has already been released, or you can do a completely fictional one that you're creating. So I'll show you in the next part what you're going to be doing and how you can create it. You can either do it digitally or you can do it with your own paper and pencils, whatever materials that you have. So I want to show you how you can do your movie poster digitally by sharing how we can do this on our computer. I have brought up canva.com and I will put that into the description in the video so that you can get to that. But you can design a whole bunch of different things on Canva, and all you have to do is click into the search bar and you can type in, you can see that I did, movie poster. And then a whole bunch of different templates will come up and you can edit and change different things about that. So I've decided I want to do a kind of a creepy movie poster. And so I'm going to look for something that looks a little bit creepier. That should definitely do it. And I'm going to click on the one that I liked the most. Now, I don't want to do one that is exactly the one that's in this template. I want to change some things about this. I definitely don't want that super creepy, weird picture behind it. And I want to change the ways that they have the different text. So once you have this loaded up, you can go over here to the left and you can choose different photos. You can change the text. You can go in and add different elements like stickers and different illustrations. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to delete this whole picture. I don't want that. That's a little creepy. And let's look and see if there are some pictures that I want. So I want a creepy forest. So Misty Forest, and see if there's anything there. Okay, there's some really, really good pictures. That one would be good. The only problem is if we have a free account, see these little dollar signs? That means that we have to pay for it. Those little crowns means we have to pay for it. So a lot of these are going to be ones that we have to pay for. If there are no pictures here that you can find, there's another website that we can use. So I'm going to click up here. This is the other website that I'm going to link. It's called Pixabay, and you can have, you can find a bunch of different free images for you to choose. So let's put in Misty Forest for this one, and let's see what pictures can come up. That's a nice one. I like that one with the train tracks. I think I'm gonna pick this one with the train tracks. Ooh, but that one's creepy too. Okay, I'm gonna go with this one. And you can come over here and you can click free download, download. I am not a robot. And then you can download that onto your computer and you can save it, and that will be inside of your download files. So how am I going to get that onto my Canva poster? Go back to Canva and you can go to uploads here on the left, and you can upload your own image and video. So this means you could use Google Images, but I like to use Pixabay because I know that those are free. So I'm going to go to my downloads. I'm going to find, there's my creepy forest picture. I'm going to open that up, and then it will download here on the left. And once it has gotten all the way here, I can bring it over to my picture. Okay, it has downloaded. I'm going to take it and I'm going to bring it onto my poster. I can resize it however I want. I kind of like the black on the top and the bottom. And now here's what I'm going to do. I am going to change my text. I call it the forest. I'm going to get rid of this text, and then I'm going to change my font. So I don't like the bright red. What I can do is up here at the top, when I'm clicked on my text, I can click on the color, I can click on the type of text, and I can change what it looks like. I can change and see if it is underlined, if it is indented. So I'm going to highlight it and I'm going to pick a different color now. Let's see what gray looks like. Gray isn't bad. And then down here, we can add in our slogan or our quote. So you could put in a fake review, you could put in the slogan for the movie. So I could put in, when you go in, you will never come out. Okay, and then I can change my color. So that light gray. Now showing at a cinema near you. I kind of like that, so I'm going to keep that. I'm going to make this one a little bit bigger. And now see how my text is behind? I can always change that. So if you come over to here, I can go in and I can change the 3 little dots. I can go in and I can change the position. I can bring that forward. And then underneath where it says the forest, it says when your nightmares unfold before your very eyes. Ooh, that's kind of creepy too. So I can bring that up. I can move these different things away. Here is my finished movie poster. So pretty simple. I can go in and I can change where the picture is going to lie, but this is what you want. You want to have your title, you want to have a slogan, you can have other information like when is it coming out. So I could have coming out fall of 2020, those types of things. So after you do that, I'm going to move myself. You can name it. So I can go to File and I can name it Rebecca Hauer movie poster. It has changed the name of it right here. And then I need to save it so that I can put it onto Google Classroom. That's where you're going to come to this little arrow pointing down. It has download. I can do it as a PDF. I could do it as a JPEG. I would just do it as a PDF, or you can do it as a picture. It doesn't matter to me. And you're going to hit download. And then all of this stuff is going to pop up, and you don't want to do anything except for save your file. And this will be inside of your downloads. I can take this file and I can put it onto Google Classroom so everyone can see my creepy movie poster, and hopefully everyone will like it. So let me know if you have any questions. Canva, Pixabay, Google Images, you can use any of those things to create your movie poster. Let me know if you have questions. Email me with anything that you have, and I hope to see you guys soon.